No. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right, Ms. Bledsoe, you're charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
On September 12th, 2024, officers responded to an assault at a residence in Harris County, Texas. The complainant reported that the defendant, her ex-boyfriend's baby mother, assaulted her, punching her on the nose, grabbing her hair, and busted her lip. The complainant stated that while she was walking to her car to take her kids to school, and when she was getting close to her car, the defendant came out from behind the dumpster, approached the complainant, and told the complainant, "Remember, I told you we were going to eventually meet." The defendant then punched the complainant on her nose and then grabbed her by her hair and kept hitting her. The complainant was able to get her mace and mace the defendant. The defendant let the complainant go and left the scene. The complainant stated she did not say anything to provoke the attack, and the complainant stated there is a history of previous violent incidents between her and the defendant, where the defendant has come to her apartment and tried to fight her. And the officers observed some minor injuries on the complainant's face, specifically a swollen nose, a busted lower lip, and a small scratch on her right cheek.
She has a prior injury to a child. She has a prior assault family member. Any of these related to that person? Ms. Bledsoe, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with this complaining witness. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If I find that you do, or if I find that you're in possession of weapons, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. You will not get any more PR months. What do you do for a living, ma'am?
I work.
Doing what?
I work at MKG.
I'm sorry?
MKG, delivering parts.
Okay. It's a full-time gig?
Yeah.
How much money do you make a month?
Little under nothing.
Sorry?
A little under nothing.
Okay. What's little to you is not little to me. So
$8 an hour.
do you have any children?
Yes, sir.
How many children do you have?
I have 6.
6 kids. Do you get support for any of those children?
I don't get any child support.
Okay. Did you want to apply for an appointed lawyer, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using any illegal dope, you're using alcohol, likewise, I will put you in jail. Do you have custody of any of those children?
I don't use drugs, so that's fine.
Or alcohol?
Or alcohol.
Okay.
That's fine.
Do you have custody of all those kids?
Yes.
Okay. Consider that if you go to jail, who's going to take care of those 6 kids?
I know I can't say much because it be used against
I'm just
me. Yeah.
asking you, when you're out there in the free world, think, because you have a bunch of mouths to feed. If you're in custody, who's going to feed them?
I just want to say she's lying on me. She's been harassing me, but we'll wait till the, then I can't
So
speak.
we'll give you an application. I'm going to have you go to Victoria, fill out a reset. After that, I'll have you meet with pretrial and the what on your lawyer.
Okay.
Alex, do me a favor. Will you, on that gentleman's case in the manslaughter, because I don't get the PC. I have no idea. In the manslaughter, was he arrested at that time on the scene, or was he arrested later after the fact? Because I'm really concerned, and I'm concerned whether alcohol was an issue in that case as well. So you said Garza?
Yes, Judge, 6, CHA.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Garza. Do you have a lawyer today?
Order in the court.
I do not.
What are you doing about that?
I can't afford an attorney, Your Honor.
Why not?
I don't make enough money, and I'm not able to save.
How many
enough.
lawyers did you speak to?
I've spoken to at least a minimum of 10 lawyers, and if
Okay.
just to get a lawyer down right now, like just for a down payment is at least $1,000 down. That's beyond anything I can afford at this
What do you
point.
do for a living?
I'm a security officer for the Houston Astros, Your Honor.
Okay, and how much money do you make a month?
I want to say estimated around.
Estimated, how much do you, I mean, you know exactly how much.
Okay, so I take home around 1,800 a month. And
Is it every 2 weeks or every month?
every month?
1,800. What expenses do you have?
I have a child support loan. I do pay rent and utilities.
Yeah.
I mean, what?
Kids.
Kids, just one.
And do you pay child support out of your
Counselor,
check?
please
or
take it out into the.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I didn't hear you.
Pay for the child support? Does it come out of your check?
Comes out of a check every week.
I'm glad that you're paying child support. That's a great thing. I'm proud of you for doing it because not many do. I'll have you fill out an application. Let me take a look at it. And then if you do qualify, which I think you probably will, then I'll grant it for you. Okay. The other thing is this, though, is that you got to understand that there's a lot of timing requirements with DWI. And if you don't hire a lawyer quick enough, it's very possible that your driver's license gets suspended and you're not able to drive. Do you have a Texas driver license?
I do, still valid.
Okay. And you,
Pending hearing, Your Honor.
sorry, say it again?
Pending hearing with
the-
Texas Department of Public Safety.
Got it. Okay, so just be aware that that's an important hearing. You could lose your license, so. The lawyer we give you now is not gonna do that. That's something that you're gonna have to do on your own, or typically will hire a lawyer to represent you in that hearing.
I think it was a $200
So I don't wanna,
some.
but that's something that you can do on your own. We pay for the criminal case, not for your, because that's a civil case. Okay? All right, if you wanna get on over there, we'll give you an application, we'll have you sign a reset, and then we'll have you take a signature box. Please.
That's right.
And Your Honor,
That's it.
he was arrested on scene for that manslaughter.
On scene.
Direct, yes.
Got it. All right.
Judge